Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 6 to 8 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So this operation will be quite useful if for some reason the camera in your device do not work properly. So for example, after the customization it freezes a lot and so on and so on. So you can try to fix it simply by resetting the settings to their defaults. So all you have to do is to simply enter the camera app, and as I hope that you can see those grid lines, I've applied them before I've started the recording. It is because I would like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So all we have to do if we are on the camera is to simply tap on this three dots icon in the left upper corner and enter the settings here. And now let me turn the screen. Okay. Right now all we have to do is to simply go to the very bottom of the list and enter general settings, and here we have to again go to the very bottom to the reset to defaults. Let's tap on it, and here your device will ask you if you actually really want to restore the settings back to defaults. So let's tap on yes, and as you can see we got back to the camera and we cannot see the grid lines, which means that we just successfully reset all camera settings, and I hope after this operation your camera will simply get back to its normal state. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your HTC Desire 6 to 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.